my today, my tomorrow, my forever. Our wedding day is one we will always remember, the greatest day of our lives. We'll start it off just two people in love and end it as husband and wife. It's a brand new beginning, the start of a journey with moments to cherish and treasure. And although there'll be times we'll both disagree, these will surely be outweighed by the pleasure. So let's live happy forever as lovers and friends. It's the dawn of a new life for us as we stand there together with love in our eyes from the moment we whisper, I did.
From up above I heard the angels sing to me these words. And sometimes in your eyes I see the beauty in the world. Oh, now I'm floating so high. I blossom and die, sends your storm and your lightning to strike me between the eyes. Sometimes the stars decide.
In the past 3 years, I can honestly say I have laughed more than I realized I could. I have been downright ridiculous and silly, and it has felt so amazing to just be myself. Through all of life's challenges and uncertain moments, I promise to have your back as you have mine, and to carry your heart with me always in safekeeping. I don't promise life will always be the most exciting, but I promise to find ways to make the ordinary memorable, fun, and to make those ordinary moments the ones we end up cherishing the most.
Sarah, it's hard to put into words how much you've changed my life, but I'm gonna try. They say love happens when you least expect it, but in my case, it was the person I least expected. I never expected to find someone so loving, so genuine, so understanding. A person who loves me for exactly who I am, silliness and all, and has the most incredible assets of anyone I've ever met. I promise to pick you up when you're down and celebrate every success like we won the lottery, because that's what I did the day I met you.
And you may seal this covenant that you have just made with a kiss.
We feel that we know which way you're going to be going, and you just keep on trucking.